Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about and the videos that we are doing, please join us on our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. If you like what Akash and I are talking about, you can follow Akash at Mangyeko0 and myself at JustAnalysis1 on Twitter. Taking a look at Bitcoin here. So of course, right as we are starting this, you see Bitcoin is busting out higher here. It's pushing towards the highest high that it's had since the 26th of October. Very standard, clear looking bull flag breakout at the moment, which is very nice. The optics bands are very neutral. Composite index favors a move higher there. The RSI is very flat neutral too, so there could be a nice extended move up from here. Looking at the point and figure chart, not much of a change from what I looked at last week when we went over this video. I'm still waiting for it to get to 67K for an appropriate entry and to get up to 77K, which is the 1618 extension of this prior swing. So that again, that entry at 67K is not just the break of a double top, but it also creates a pattern known as a bearish fake out, which is based on the double bottom that had two boxes below. And if this current X column creates that entry, that's what confirms the bearish fake out, which is a bullish pattern. So again, looking at it to get to 67K and then have another 10K increase towards 77K. That's what I see here. I will be bearish if it comes down to 60,000, and on the $500 3-box reversal chart, that would basically mean, because we do have a bit of a bear flag on this point figure chart. So if it does come down to 60K, then that would create a bearish fake out pattern, and we could likely see it come down to not that far, but probably like 57, between 54 and 57K. But that's what I see on Bitcoin. I don't know what you see, Akash.
You gotta give me hosting. I mean, the share screen feature. I cannot share it right now. Awesome, I got it.
Yeah, you should have it now. Yep.
Right. So what do I see for Bitcoin is, so let me just take these off for now. Right. There is a double top here, as you can see, and there's a lot of liquidity resting above this. And what I originally planned was to short
63K is where you're seeing that.
Just one second. Right. So that's 63,788. Let me change the color. Right. So this is where I originally, so my expectation was for Bitcoin to move above this, collect liquidity, but not close above it on like a 4-hour time frame, right? And then go back down here to this demand zone, right? So like we did last time, Bitcoin dipped into this demand zone here, ranging from 56.6 to 58.6. It did manage to bounce off of it, and it's going pretty good for now, right? So my thesis is collect liquidity up here, come down here, break this demand zone, and then finally reach for the liquidity resting below here, which is anything between 53K to 53.8K. Approximately 54K is what would be interesting. And another reason why I think the move down here is interesting is because of this gap that you see here. Right, so there wasn't any price action seen here because Bitcoin just ran through it, and this fair value gap is what I'm looking for Bitcoin to fill, right? So this ranges from 53.4K to 52K. So these are my targets in terms like from a bearish perspective. But if you look at this particular price action, right? So Bitcoin created a swing low here, went up, went below it, and now it's going higher. So this would be a market structure break. But since it's going in the opposite direction, if Bitcoin does manage to produce a 4-hour close, preferably a daily close above this particular demand zone here, which is 63,700, that would be a confirmation of a bullish breakout, right? In that particular case, I'm expecting Bitcoin to, at least in the short term, make a run at the all-time high here at 67,162. So these are the two scenarios that I'm looking at for Bitcoin.
All right. Well, thank you for that. I think you have a more, you have a target kind of lower than I was on the downside, but, and I have a higher target on the upside. But, folks, if any of you are saying that's two different opinions, well, that's good because that's what analysis is. It's two different, sometimes divergent opinions. And that is the point of analysis, to keep you informed with both sides of the market. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.